Hey Calvin, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In this screencast, I want to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business with home remodeling. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we will work together to grow your clientele. And the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Calvin, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are still too busy running the business to learn how the internet can benefit them and the company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. But I found by giving people an easy attack benefit things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in local owners still raising hands and saying, I like you and can you please do this for me? Therefore, if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and learn more customers, you can shoot me a message back in the chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try it to yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. Now, first thing I want to go over is your content. And in order for your business or any business to be optimized for Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since you don't have a site that can show you what you have, I'm going to be going over one of your competitors, which is DBS Remodel. And DBS Remodel has about 373 words filled with keyword-rich research. And this is still very beatable, but this shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse for authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So when I pull up this tool called Aris, you can see what this site is actually ranking for. So in terms of backlinks, they have about 1,240 backlinks. For domains, 186, and organic keywords, 435. So digging deeper into organic keywords, because we're going on content right now, keywords go into content. Keywords are the main gold mine for content. I tell you this because this single keyword or this single keyword, this is all bringing in volume. Now, volume is the amount of search this keyword has per month. So let's go to the highest one I see. So basement man cave. Right, this has a 500 search volume. He's ranking number one, which is bringing in 6 people per month out of this 500 volume. All right, let's go to the DBS Remodel. 80 volume, but he's also still ranking number one, but bringing in 27 traffic, organic traffic, because 5 KD, other than not a 10 KD. So KD is how hard it is to rank. Traffic is the amount is resilient on the position that you are in. So if you're in a 6th position, you're gonna get less traffic because the first due to 5th are taking most of traffic from this volume. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword and how important it is for your content, we can move on to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or Maps. All right, let's dive deeper. View all. So here you can see business name, an address, and a phone number. That's an ad. Business name, address, and phone number, right? So this is called Maps, right? So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? Well, Maps, right? A citation. So to rank in Maps, you need to find citations where you can list your naps. So I go to this little tool, resource I like to use called Whitespark. Inside a resource, there's a local citation finder. So I did a search for DBS Remodel to see what their citation sources was. They have about 30. So you want your citation to double or triple the amount of citations that they have in any competition in the area. And if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $20 a month, and it's very, 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 very useful. And you can see that they don't have all the 20 or all the 30 citations down here because most of those are not credible for Google to list as a citation, which is totally fine because that means it's good for you. You can beat these guys by taking all theirs and more. But these citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, C-Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you submit a citation. So now you know a little bit about how to rank in maps and what a citation is. The third thing I'd like to cover with you is another important aspect of Google, and we call this user site authority, link juice. So going back to organic, everywhere, to organic search. So past this map pack, you can see DBS Remodel is number 1, MP Construction number 2, choose another one, Northeast Remodeling is number 3, Ryan's Davis Contracting number 4. So keep going down, right? But this is where you want to be, the first page of Google, right? Well, number 1, you can still do that in due time. It's very beatable. But this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people put it works like this: Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting that link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So there's more to it than just that, but the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative science to back at you. So, for example, if you have a DBS, remodeling, or pre-construction linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living, right? Well, anyway, we'll pull Ahrefs again, right? Go to overview, click on their backlinks. Now, they have a lot of backlinks, but this is still very beatable. I've seen people with 20,000, 30,000 backlinks. But you can see looking down that you can take every single backlink they have and make them your own. Now, that's how easy it is, right? You can go to another website that you see, maybe P Construction, right? Insert it in here, right here. Oh yeah, to use the site, I pay about $100 a month. I tell you, sorry about that. But you can take every single one, right? Go after them yourself. So 3 things I talked about today was content, citations, and backlinks, or link juice. So for your content, you need 1,500 words to your homepage, any service page, gallery, or any blog. You want at least 500. Any contact page or jobs page or anything that you want to offer that's not a service page or location page would be 250, so you can be fully optimized with Google. And for your citations, we talked about we need double or triple the amount of citations, or 100, 200, anybody by a landslide in your local area. And last we talked about was your backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.